Hello children. Children, last week we have completed lesson number 16, Our Environment of Social Studies. Today we are going to start with a new lesson. Take out your social studies books. Take out page number 109. 109. On that page we are going to start with this lesson, Trees Are Best Friend. Now as the name depicts, how are trees our best friend? Yes, trees are our best friend because without trees we will not be able to survive on this planet Earth. It is so because trees give us oxygen. Like children, when we are breathing, which gas do we inhale? That is oxygen. And from where do we get this oxygen? Trees give us oxygen. Who gives us oxygen? Trees. And which gas is inhaled by the trees? The trees inhale carbon dioxide and release oxygen. And the oxygen which is released by the trees, that is inhaled by the human beings. That is inhaled by the human beings. And we breathe out carbon dioxide. We breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide, whereas trees breathe in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. So, if trees are not there on this earth, means we will also be not there on this earth. Now, before we start reading with this lesson, let's do this brown box. Answer in yes or no. Number 1, trees help to keep the environment cool. Correct. Put a tick over here. Second, cutting of trees leads to soil erosion. This is also correct. Put a tick over here. Number 3 is, when we cut more trees, we are cleaning the environment. No, this is wrong. If we are cutting the trees, we are polluting the environment instead of cleaning it. So this is wrong. Put a cross over here. Number 4 is, trees help us to breathe fresh air. Then put a tick over here. Have you ever planted a tree? Put a tick over here. Yes. Now let's start reading with this lesson. It is difficult to imagine the environment without trees. Now children, as I told you in the beginning of the lesson when I was explaining you the title of the lesson, that it is very difficult to imagine the environment without trees. We cannot live without trees. Without trees, life is not possible on this planet Earth. Trees are the lungs of our planet. Children, like we are having, our body is having lungs. In our body, there are some internal organs. And one of the internal organ is lungs. Without lungs, it is not possible for a human being to survive. Similarly, for this planet Earth, trees are the lungs. Trees are the lungs of this planet Earth. Means we will not be able to survive without trees. Let us see how they are important for our existence on Earth. Now let's read about the importance of trees. Why they are important for this planet Earth. Why are trees important? If you ever walk down a park or open space filled with green trees, you will know how cool it feels. Now children, whenever you go to a park where there are so many plants and trees, you will feel cool over there. Why? Because trees give us shade, and in that shade we feel cool. Trees help to keep our environment cool and green. Like you can see this tree, it's green in color. So whenever we go to a park, you see so many trees are planted over there in the park. So they keep the environment cool and green. Let us see some of their benefits. Trees breathe in carbon dioxide and breathe out oxygen. This is what children I explained you, that they breathe in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. This means that the carbon dioxide released by humans and animals is absorbed by trees. It means that the carbon dioxide which we are releasing, that is inhaled by the trees, and the oxygen which is released by the trees, that is inhaled by the human beings. In return, they release oxygen in the air, which is important for us. Now, which gas do they release? oxygen, and oxygen is very important for us to survive. Second is, trees keep the soil healthy by preventing soil erosion. They also provide nutrients to the soil as leaves and roots decay. Now see children, wherever the trees are planted, there the soil is very fertile. And if we will cut trees, obviously it will lead to soil erosion. So we should not cut the trees. Now when these leaves turn into yellow color and they decay in the soil, they also help in providing nutrients to the soil. Then number 3 is, trees provide food to us in the form of fresh fruits and vegetables. Now children, we are eating fruits and vegetables. Who is giving us those fruits and vegetables? Obviously, there are the trees. Trees form the natural habitat of many animals, birds and insects. The meaning of habitat is already given in your book, children. Habitat means natural home. Means trees are the home for different kinds of animals, birds and insects. Like monkey lives on a tree, birds build their nest on the trees, and many kinds of insects also live on the trees. Next is, trees provide the wood and pulp to make paper. Trees also provide us what? Wood to make furniture and pulp to make paper. Now let's move on to the next page. Page number 110. Trees protect us in extreme weather. They provide us shade in summer and shelter during the rainy season. Now trees are providing us what? Shade. Like suppose you are going somewhere by walking, and if you are feeling tired, you would like to sit somewhere in shade. So obviously trees will give us shade in the summer season and shelter. And suppose if you are going by walking or on a bicycle, you are going and suddenly it starts raining. So you will obviously stand under the shade of a tree to protect yourself from rain. Yes. So they protect us in extreme weather, whether it is the summer season or the rainy season. They save water by preventing rapid evaporation from the soil. Now trees also save water by preventing rapid evaporation from the soil. Trees play an important role in our life. Like in our life, trees play a very important role. Cutting of trees or deforestation disturbs the ecosystem and can be dangerous in the long run. Children, if we are cutting the trees, cutting of trees is also called deforestation. So if we are cutting the trees, it will disturb the ecosystem. What does ecosystem means? Plants and animals together in a particular area. Like if in a particular area, plants and animals are living, and if we are continuously cutting the trees over there, obviously it will lead to soil erosion, and moreover the habitat, the homes of the animals will be destroyed, and in the long run it can be dangerous to the plants as well as animals. So we should not cut trees. Children, we will read up till here in this video. In the next video we will start from plantation of trees to save the environment. Thank you.